everybody, welcome to Crash Bushcraft. I got a couple of things that I'm going to be working on here in the next couple of days, little small simple projects. But today we're going to be working on a simple do-it-yourself canoe rack. It's nothing hard. If you put a clothesline up, you've been able to do this. So let's get ready and let's get outside and let's go ahead and get started on that. 48 and 2 at 68. I'm sorry, 2 at 68. So now it's time to dig the holes. Alright, there it is. 15-foot Saranac by Old Town and the canoe rack. It's already pretty much set up. It's been less than 45 minutes from start to finish on it. I've got to go ride a four-wheeler with my son before he comes out here and breaks the camera and the canoe. So there you go. It takes 4 eye bolts. I think they were 1/4-inch eye bolts, and 2 of the T-post for the post settings on it, about 8-9 screws, and 2 4x4 posts. Well, actually 3 8-foot long. You could actually get away with it if you wanted to make that a little bit shorter to get it up off the ground. 3 foot would be fine. You can actually come off to the side of it and hang 2 kayaks. And if I get 2 kayaks here in the next couple of months, I'll show you how to do that with it. So thanks for watching.